Hello and welcome to this video about ChatGPT, an artificial intelligence language model created by OpenAI based on the GPT 3.5 architecture. In this video, we'll be exploring what ChatGPT is, how it works, and some of the applications and implications of this cutting-edge AI technology. The basics of AI and language modeling. To understand what ChatGPT is, it's important to first have a basic understanding of artificial intelligence and language modeling. AI is the field of computer science that deals with creating machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as recognizing images, playing games, and understanding language. Language modeling is a specific subfield of AI that focuses on teaching machines to understand and generate human language. The development of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the latest iteration in a series of language models developed by OpenAI. It is based on the GPT-3 architecture, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3. This architecture is designed to generate natural language text that is contextually relevant and coherent, based on a large dataset of text that the model has been trained on. The way that ChatGPT works is by using a technique called unsupervised learning, which means that the model learns from data without being explicitly told what to look for. In the case of ChatGPT, the model is trained on a massive dataset of text, such as books, articles, and websites, and uses this data to generate new text based on a given input prompt. Applications and implications of ChatGPT. ChatGPT has a wide range of potential applications in areas such as natural language processing, chatbots, and virtual assistants. For example, ChatGPT could be used to improve the accuracy and efficiency of chatbots, allowing them to more effectively interact with users and provide helpful responses. However, there are also some potential implications of this technology, such as the risk of bias and misinformation. Because ChatGPT is trained on a large dataset of text, it has the potential to perpetuate and amplify biases and inaccuracies that are present in the data. Additionally, because it can generate highly convincing fake text, there is the risk that it could be used for malicious purposes, such as spreading fake news or propaganda. Overall, ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful AI language model that has the potential to revolutionize the way that we interact with technology and each other. However, it is important to be aware of the potential risks and limitations of this technology, and to use it responsibly and ethically. Please consider subscribing to our channel for more educational content. Thanks.